I think we have more, I would say, quality visitors as well. When they come in, they can see they're quite specific. They know what they wanted, and so on. Rather than the past shows where people are not too sure what have they got to offer. But I think the general feedback was very good.
All over Europe, in China, but the response here in Singapore is very, very good. We have been very busy with a lot of requirements, looking for medical manufacturing solutions in Malaysia, in Indonesia, and high precision manufacturing parts also from Singapore. So I have to say that we are very happy and satisfied with the business still today.
It's been fantastic. Actually, yesterday was the day where it was almost non-stop. I came in the morning and I turned around, it was 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So from what I hear, it was a fantastic day, fantastic results. So I was really very pleased.
This exhibition has been great for us. We made quite a lot of key decision-making people, which is the objective of gaining more visibility in Asia. This is the first exhibition that we attend. And for us, it's been a great success, and we hope to come back in 2 years for the same time, same place.
Of course, from a business point of view, to provide this kind of platform for people to meet, even today in a digital age, is still, in my opinion, very important to have physical meetings. It's very cost effective for anyone selling or involved in the medical industry to meet all of his clients or potential clients, because that's at the end of the day, the purpose of being here.
The show is also combined with the manufacturing. This is also interesting because many Indonesian industry will get more information regarding the materials, the machines, the tools. I think this is two exhibitions to be combined is very good.